I have some shocking Bitcoin technical analysis to show you guys right now. Stick around to the very end. This is very, very important for Bitcoin. With that said, this is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. Let's get right into it. First off, we are looking at the liquidity pool for Bitcoin. It is very obvious we have some money right here, guys, at $25,000. So, what does this mean? It's very probable the price of Bitcoin is going to head up here because this is where the money is at 25,200. Yes, so make sure to watch out for that, guys. Make sure to look out because we may very well see in the next 24 hours a push up to 25,000. As you guys can see, earlier yesterday and a couple days earlier, the price of Bitcoin did bounce off this right here of 23,300. So this is a good indication the price is still bullish, which is why I said we may see a grab to 25,200. Now, looking here, what do we see here, guys? Well, this is the EMA, guys, and it's very clear the price of Bitcoin is starting to reverse. And if we take a look at the EMA 55, what does this tell us? A price of Bitcoin at 25,600. So we have two indicators showing us we're pushing for a $25,000 Bitcoin. Right here, the EMA 55, along with the liquidity grab right here. Now, this is the shocking thing I gotta show you guys. The shocking Bitcoin technical chart right here. This is the big money, guys. This is why you guys stayed tuned. So, what do we see here, guys? Since May of 2021, as you guys can see right here. Let me zoom in real quick. What does that say? Whoa. May 2021 right here. Yes, we have been forming a falling wedge for the past over 2 years. And we finally, guys, broke out of this falling wedge. As you guys can see, just a couple of weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, we broke out of this falling wedge. This is a bullish scenario for Bitcoin, as you guys can see. Now, if we connect the dots, we look at the high for Bitcoin right here and the bottom for Bitcoin right here. And we place this right here. Well, what does this show us the price of Bitcoin at? Guys, what does it show us at? You tell me. Let me see if I can zoom in. Well, if you guys can't see that, it is telling us a $50,000 Bitcoin. Right there, guys. There we go. A $50,000 Bitcoin for Bitcoin according to this chart pattern. This is why I'm warning you guys, in 2023, we may possibly see a 50K Bitcoin. This is very possible according to this chart. The possibility of this happening is, I would say, is a 5% chance of this happening. Because a lot of stuff has to go correct, has to go 100% Bitcoin way. What do I mean? Well, we have the FOMC meeting February 1st, and we need interest rate hikes to lower. We need inflation to also slow down. If this doesn't happen, well, the chance of Bitcoin hitting 50K in 2023 is very low. So, also, we can't even think about a $50,000 Bitcoin yet. First off, guys, we must reach 25K first. And then from there, we must hit the next level of resistance, which is the $30,000 Bitcoin right here. If we hit $30,000 for Bitcoin, there is a high chance, guys, yes, a high chance we see a Bitcoin price of 50,000 in 2023. So if we take a closer look right here, the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is, we haven't even reached above the 200 EMA just yet, guys, right here. And this price is at 24,700. As you guys can see, 24,700 for Bitcoin. If we reach that, that is very bullish for Bitcoin as well, which we haven't just yet. But in the next 24 hours, we may, because as I said, the money is right here. There's still money to be made right here. 25,200. The liquidity pool right here is very strong. This is why it's bouncing. It is confirming a possible push to 25,000 first, and then from there at 30,000, and then from there possibly $50,000 Bitcoin. So we need to be careful, guys. Right here, we take a look right here. As I said in my previous video, if you haven't checked that out, go check it out right now. Go check it out. But if the price of Bitcoin breaks below 22,300 and it closes below 23,000 or 22,300, well, this is a bearish scenario for Bitcoin, meaning we're going to head for a correction, a possibly 12 to 13% correction or dip. And this means the price of Bitcoin would head to $19,000. And if you take a look here, guys, what do we see here? We see a $20,000 Bitcoin right here, a grab right here, which is very possible. We need to be aware of that. There's a lot of stuff that can happen right now, guys. Bitcoin is in a weird situation where it can go either way. This is why I'm just sitting back, relaxing, watching everything play out right now, because I'm just dollar cost averaging as of right now, because everything is very volatile, and right now everything's neutral. If you take a look at the fear and greed indicator, it's neutral, it's at 50. But with that said, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know, according to this Bitcoin technical analysis, we may see a push in the next 24 hours to $25,000. As you guys can see, we are heading to the 200 EMA, or moving average, I should say, on the weekly time frame. This is very bullish if it reaches above it. But as you guys can see, we did reach above it, then got rejected. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens. Do we break above and stay there, or do we break down and get rejected? It's going to be very interesting. This is why I said I am personally sitting back, dollar cost averaging, not worrying, and just watching everything play out. So the $50,000 Bitcoin is possible. I give it a 5% chance. Everything has to go Bitcoin's way, 100%, if you want to see a price of $50,000. But with that said, guys, subscribe, hit the like button for daily Bitcoin analysis. Let me know what you guys think. Is there a chance we hit 50,000? Me personally, I don't think it's going to happen, but it is possible. I give it a 5% chance because everything has to go Bitcoin's way. But with that said, guys, let me know in the comments if you like this type of video. I wanted to switch it up, see how you guys like it. With that said, DC trading, go like the video right now and check out this video. Very, very important. Go check it out.